everyone. Let's learn how to make these tacos today. These are very easy tacos. Like if you're hungry, you want to eat something, if you have all the ingredients, just you can make it in 10-15 minutes. So the ingredients I need for this are like corn tacos, very small ones. Up to you if you like to use flour tacos or anything. So and oil, just heat the oil, and I use also chili powder, salt, and cumin powder. So pour little oil, like it's not a whole lot, it's a teaspoon or two, and I take about a half a teaspoon in a small dish. Added little chili powder in there, cumin powder, and also salt. It's no measurements, it's according to your taste. Cumin powder is always less, salt is like a medium, like more chili powder. So you never put cumin and chili powder in the same quantity. It has to be like if you take a chili powder 1 teaspoon, 1/3 of it is cumin powder and half of it is salt. So if you like salt more or less, you can adjust that. So in the pan is hot enough now, so warm enough, like with oil in there. I put the vegetables. What vegetables I used here are all the peppers, like yellow, red, and green peppers. Cut them long, thin slices. Not very thin, it's like about half an inch width, and about how much ever your peppers are long. So fry them until they are medium brown, not too well cooked. If it is too cooked, it's going to be soggy. You need that little crunchiness in there. And on a skillet, I warm the tacos. You can warm the tacos in microwave also. It won't take too long. It's about 20 seconds or so. You can warm 15-20 seconds. Don't put them half a minute, 1 minute. They are going to be hard and doesn't look good, crunchy or something. So this skillet, the flame under the skillet, I put it on a low flame. So I don't want them to rush them. Like I want them to slowly warm up. And in another small dish, I took sour cream. We need to make some kind of sauce topping for that. So I took sour cream. I added some chili powder in there. Again, it's approximate according to your taste. And a little salt. That's it, just salt and chili powder. And mix them well. Like, I don't mix them now. Like I keep them on the side. See, I'm turning the heat off under the tacos. So the pan is slightly warm. It's not too hot. I want to leave the tacos on there until this vegetables and tofu is ready. Instead of tofu, you can use paneer. Paneer is Indian cheese made with milk. If you are a vegan, you don't want to use it. But tofu is the best option for vegan. And if you are a vegetarian, you can use tofu or paneer. Or if you like, you can eat non-veg meat or anything, like you can use shrimp and cooked shrimp. Don't bring the uncooked shrimp and put it in, fry them here. Just get the cooked shrimp and fry them slightly, like, until all the spices get to it. Or fish. If you are using fish, don't use catfish. It breaks so easily. So it's hard to fry them. Now I'm frying the tofu also. I'll do the same thing, like add the spice mix to it and fry them a little bit. You can use salmon or tilapia. Those are little harder. Maybe tuna. I never used tuna, but not the fresh tuna. I never had fresh tuna, but I use the tuna cans, but never use the fresh one. So I tried salmon. Salmon is it's not soft like catfish, and tilapia too. So you can use those fish. Don't use catfish. The taste wise also for this I didn't like the catfish taste here. So fry them all like the tofu also, and that's it. They are done. Like now you need to arrange them in the plate. Put the tacos down first and put tofu and vegetables on the top. Top them top it with the sauce. I didn't mix the sauce before, like the sauce I made with sour cream. Now I'm mixing it. It's you can add little lemon juice in here, but I prefer to add it on the table on the side. So I cut a little piece of lemon and put lime and put it on the side. Lime tastes better than lemon for this item. So also like what you can do with the sauce is you can add mayonnaise, or you can, instead of like sour cream, you can just make it with some kind of salad dressings like or something. You can add little chili powder and salt in there and make it. You can try different things, so you might like different whatever taste you have. You might like it better with different things. So these tacos are ready, and it's an easy lunch or dinner option. You don't want to make it inviting about 10-15 people or something for your family. That is good. If you're a couple and you get inviting a couple of more people, you can easily make it. It's just when everybody's arrived, you can do it right in front of them. And squeeze the lemon juice on the top, lime juice, on the top if you like it. It tastes better with the lime juice. Hope you like my videos. Thank you for watching. Hit bell icon